Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer photos or videos from your Android phone to your Windows laptop or PC. Let's get started. First, take your phone's USB cable and connect it to your computer. On your phone, swipe down the notification panel and tap on the USB options. Choose Transfer Files or MTP, depending on your phone model. Now, on your computer, open File Explorer. In the left sidebar, you'll see your phone's name, for example, Galaxy A03. Click on it. Next, double-click on your phone's storage, then open the DCIM folder. Inside it, open the Camera folder. Here you'll find all your photos and videos. Select the ones you want to move, right-click and choose Copy. Go to the folder on your computer where you'd like to save them, right-click and choose Paste. That's it. Your photos and videos are now saved on your Windows computer. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.